In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do Black Flash in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can do the Black Flash in Heroes Battlegrounds. Keep in mind that you will only be able to do it as the Hero Slayer if you have the Mastery. So you will need the Mastered Hero Slayer. So for you to do a Black Flash, all that you have to do is first finish an enemy player. So finish any player that you see. And after you are done executing someone, you just have to do 4M1s on someone else. Immediately upon finishing someone and initiating 4M1s into someone else, the last attack or the last M1 is going to be the Black Flash. So you will see the effects go up, the screen is going to flash, and you will knock them back. So all that you have to do is execute a player, and then do 4M1s into any other player that you see, and you will be able to do the Black Flash immediately after. Like I said, you will only be able to see the Black Flash after you kill an enemy plane. So after a kill, your final M1 will be followed by a powerful red electric punch, which of course everyone thinks is the lookalike to the Black Flash. This will launch your opponent far away, and you can do multiple punches until this passive runs out. This passive does not let you make combos after the final M1, so it's not that good unless you are getting teamed on. But the effect is super cool, and you will be able to do it with the katana or with your fists. It doesn't matter. You just need to get a kill and immediately perform 4M1s into any player. Sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate this in-game, but I'm still gonna show you how it looks like visually. It is a very cool lookalike, and sometimes you might just get it by accident. Because you are done finishing a player, you immediately turn into another, do 4M1s, and you'll see the Black Flash go out. I hope I was able to help you on how to do Black Flash in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.